Alright, a little update on the Ford Highboy here. I got my front drop cross member deal here and spring hanger installed. Buddy built that for me. Lifts at 2 inches. A lot better than blocking the front axle. This is the other thing. The Highboys had just the nubs on each end. Well, they don't make a lift spring for, or lift shock for it. So what I did is took a newer Super Duty shock, built this little dude here, and it gives you, makes it about 5 inches taller. Just got to drill your hole out a little bit there to make it 5/8, it's 9/16. Then you get your longer shock out of it and you can replace it. It's 05 and newer Super Duty. Firewall all cleaned up and painted. Frame all pour 15'd. Just coming around. An old motor here. Old turd. A new motor. Got a big 580 lift Lunati Voodoo cam and Ross flat tops and Edelbrock aluminum heads. 800 Edelbrock carb. Found some Hooker long tubes. That's another thing, if you want to run long tube headers on these Highboys, you gotta notch this ear of the frame off right here. It used to be like this. You gotta notch that for the number 2 tube to come down in. Which makes it pretty easy when you got the motor out, but if you're installing those with the motor in, that wouldn't be much fun. So, power steering conversion. Just welded that plate there with some nuts on the back and boom, then you got power steering. So, just a little update. Next time you see it, it'll probably be in paint and all put back together, so, oh yeah.